sticky, spicy, and dripping with flavor. These Cajun-Jerk Ribs will have you licking your fingers and looking for more. Glazed up, baked down, and served with crispy seasoned fries.
Oh, hi there. Welcome to Teika's Kitchen. Get ready to tantalize your taste.
Let's kick things off with the star of the show. These juicy pork rib slices. To spice them up, we're creating a signature blend of spices using Cajun seasoning, jerk seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, onion garlic powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, thyme leaves, sugar there as well. Now to sear these off, we're using olive oil. For our sauce, we need honey, grated ginger and garlic, sugar as well, soy sauce, ketchup, pepper, and apple cider vinegar. Alright, now that's what we need to create this flavorful masterpiece. We've seen the stars of the show, now let's give these ribs a quick spa treatment before we bring the flavor. Because flavor starts with the prep and we don't skip steps around here. A quick rinse with a lemon and then we'll season them like a pro. Alright, just giving them their first rinse there, followed up with the lemon. You know, as a yardie or Caribbean baby, you know we always wash our meat. The lemon helps to clean it up, remove the raw scent, and gives the ribs a fresh base for all that seasoning to shine. And of course, it adds a little brightness there as well. Alright, now that they are nice and clean, it is now time to pat dry. Now we have to ensure that we pat dry effectively, because if they are wet, we're not going to get that lovely sear that we desire. They'll steam instead of brown, and we don't want that. We need a beautiful crust to lock in the flavor. Now it's time to create my signature Cajun-Jerk spice rub, adding all those seasonings that I showed you earlier with a little sugar. Alright, giving that a nice mix as well, and clean ribs to the bowl, followed by some olive oil. Now that little oil there will help the seasoning to stick, right? So they coat the ribs so nicely. It's like giving the flavor something to hold on to. And of course, another tip there too, using glove to season your meat. It gives you a more effective massaging process when you're rubbing that seasoning into the meat. Okay, all right. And about 30 minutes later, it was time to get our sizzler on, right? Now flavor in the oil, we're adding there a sprig of rosemary, followed up with those juicy pork ribs. Oh my goodness, guys, this aroma, it's divine, I tell you. All right, so we'll sear it there about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. We are not overdoing anything, not overcooking, because what our desire here for this sear is just to get that lovely brown coating on the ribs. And soon as that is achieved, it's time to take them out. Okay, all right, and there we are. Look at that, guys, so beautifully charred. Oh my goodness, that lovely brown coating and that little sugar that we add in the spice rub as well helps to contribute to that beautiful caramelization color on the ribs. When I tell you flavor heaven, oh my goodness. Now while that is going, we are working on the honey garlic glaze. Oh my goodness, guys, this combination, the ginger and the garlic, was something to talk about, I tell you. And look at that. Oh yeah, so nice and flavorful. Oh my goodness, look at that, the perfect consistency. Just turning all ribs there just to ensure that we get even browning on all sides. Look at that beautiful sauce. Don't sleep on it, guys. All right, now it's now time to remove these, and guess what next? Oh yeah, to the baking tray they'll go. But before we put them in the oven, we are coating generously with that delicious honey garlic glaze. We are going to cover this, guys, and allow it to cook for about 25 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to cover with the foil paper because we want them nice, juicy, and tender. Okay, all right, we're making additional sauce because when we tell you about saucy and flavor, no dry ribs around here. All right, and in its finishing stage, we're going to add some little spice and a little more ketchup for thickening. All right, just to replenish what we had used. All right, there again with some garlic powder to lock in all that flavor. And look at that, guys, magic once more, I tell you. All right, so to accompany these delicious ribs, we're doing some seasoned fries, and we'll just pop these in the air fryer. Beautiful compliment for these ribs. And look at that, guys, oh my goodness. This aroma, oh my goodness, I tell you. Coat in there one more time before we put these back in the oven uncovered for 15 minutes. Just ensuring that we're generously coating these because flavor heaven is what we're about today, and that's what we're out to achieve. Look how beautiful they are looking, guys. Yes, I tell you. All right, so now these will return back to the oven uncovered for 15 minutes, and by the time you know it, we're going to broil, and then it's gonna be service time. Okay, all right, and to the oven they go. But before we do, I just gotta tantalize your taste buds because they are looking so delicious already and they're not done. All right, off to the oven. All right, after 15 minutes, guys, we put 2 minutes for broil, and this is what they are looking like. Now time to get them out. Look at that. Tell me about it, guys. Tell me that I'm not tantalizing your taste buds right now. Know that our ribs are ready, our fries are ready. You know what time it is, right? The moment we've been waiting for. Just look at these ribs. Sticky, glossy, and dripping in that honey garlic glaze. The edges are caramelized, the meat is juicy, and the flavor? It's bold, smoky, and sweet with a little kick. I'm serving it up, guys, with those crispy seasoned fries for the perfect crunch. You've got the heat, the sweet, and the savory, all on one plate. This right here, it's comfort food with flavor turned all the way up. Now tag someone who needs to try this, and don't be surprised if you go back for seconds because I certainly did. If this made your mouth water, go ahead and like the video. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a flavor drop from Teika's Kitchen. Drop a rib emoji in the comments if you're ready to try this one, and don't forget, sharing is caring. So send this recipe to someone who loves good food. As always, stay flavorful, stay creative, and I'll see you right back here in Teika's Kitchen. Enough love.